Say hi.
Hi guys! Oh fuck.
It's super sour, cooking with Ag and Rio.
Hey guys.
Oh my god.
So
I just feel like a makeup artist.
oh my god,
Is it
he's
plain?
so beautiful. He's so
Literally,
beautiful.
So this is your dog.
This is
Yeah.
our dog forever.
When did you get this dog? How did you get? You know what your intro should be?
What
The
should it
likey music videos that I do.
Oh my
Not
fucking
mine.
God.
But you should make one. Unless.
Oh, is it going?
Yeah.
Current? Oh my god.
This is our dog. We got a dog. His name is
dog.
Cowboy. He's a baby and he likes to be held like one.
We're making duck and ube waffles.
Ooh, which was supposed to be our first video, but we didn't do it, and it's like a lot later now, so sorry about that. This is an ube. It's a purple sweet potato, and this is what it looks like, peeled and roasted. Beautiful.
I do. Like that
They
one.
not very purple.
Not really. You're just gonna eat. You're just gonna eat it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. No, it's.
Oh,
This
this
is
is not what you said.
It's roasted.
Oh, pop it out.
Gonna pop
Give
out
us
some
a-
duck.
Give us a show. Give us a show. I really want that water over there. It's
All
very
right.
close to. Oh.
I just feel like this is my job. I'm babysitting.
I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna slide this. I'm gonna put my straw in it.
Oh, that's a nice straw.
We'll put that back up to there.
That's
Oh wow, it's just him, straight up.
Yeah. Here he is.
Cowboy's gonna.
I used to
try
be a
eat that.
vegan.
Me too.
This is like so not food safe. Cowboy's just in the
Yeah.
mix. He's just hanging out.
He can lick it.
Oh my god.
I'd still eat it. Breast.
Breast.
Ooh.
Yeah.
What?
It's.
It's
All
just
right.
food,
Yes.
everyone. Alright?
Are you gonna like season it or something?
Salt.
Salt it.
Yeah. So it's not going to be like last time where we failed at making pasta.
Wait, do I have to take my shoes off?
I'm just like a really big
You
fan
want
of
to.
super fucking sour, so
Yeah.
I trust you with my life.
I'm just scared. I don't wash socks.
Oh my god.
Do you want me to like see what happens? Just see what happens.
Oh, you want the socks off?
We can do some.
I mean,
Not socks off. You want the shoes off?
Maybe.
This can be a shoes off.
Okay. All right.
We're generally a shoes off family.
I got it.
I'll take my shoes off too.
That's
All
some
right.
real
So
POC
just
stuff.
taking it. You're just gonna salt it. We're really just gonna put salt in it.
I don't know what I've been doing.
Nothing else.
Well, in the pan I will put some aromatics.
Okay. Should we take an intermission? Should we stop it?
So basically, when you cook duck, you have to score the top. I have to go wash my knife because it has sweet potato on it.
So much of this is gonna be fucking cut.
That's it.
No, it's fine. They're just in the bathroom. Chill, homie. Wait, where the fuck is the?
What are you looking for?
Wait, is this alcoholics?
So I can also take video if you want.
I'll take a video. Yeah.
Cute.
Go off, homie.
Did you not want alcoholic cider?
We did.
You already did.
Okay. I didn't. Bottle
We should
opener
probably move the potato from the
next to the
raw
top.
meat, no?
Because I'm twisted.
True. That's just
That feels right.
The truth is that I don't know how to use these.
Oh,
I don't either.
I get confused every
We
time.
had a bottle opener that was like magnetic. I don't know where that shit.
Down. You
Probably no. Oh, we're starting again? We're popping through? Okay, what's good, homie?
So we're just gonna cook these in a little pan, and when you start to cook your duck, you want to make sure that the pan is cold. So do not preheat. I repeat, do not preheat. You say it.
Do not preheat. That's so silly. You're so silly. What is up? Okay.
That's what I'm here for.
Okay, so you're gonna put it just straight up on there?
Just straight up.
Straight from the cutting board to the pan.
Yes.
That's what you're doing.
Maybe I should use a bigger pan because this is small.
Maybe.
Cool.
So
I'm trying to
switch
cook
up.
these at the same time, so I'm gonna switch up into a bigger pan. Because this is a little small. Perfect for one. Perfect for one.
I think I was like,
You're just trying to help
Is
me
this
just
mine?
now.
he was?
Is this mine?
I
It
don't
can be. I'm also gonna get this thyme from up here that I have been drying.
Ooh. What? These gays.
I'm not gay. I dry my herbs.
These gays.
Yeah, this lighting is bad.
It's
not
so
very-
bad. It's so bad.
not
Okay,
very
let's.
fun. So, have a spatula here. We got our duck. I'm gonna turn the heat onto medium low.
Okay.
Gonna
So
take
sorry.
some butter. Can you give me a spoon, my
Spoon?
love?
Yep.
My love?
Stop.
My lover?
Ew.
We're married.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, also congrats on being married.
Thank you. Wow.
That's so beautiful.
When duck cooks, it renders a lot of fat, and so when you cook it, you have to like slowly be like pouring the fat out of the pan, or else it'll overcook it, and you do not want that, you know? Because why would you want that? Gonna throw some garlic in there.
I love that we're all like in this tiny ass. Fuck a duck.
My guy doesn't
Fuck a
know
duck,
about
bruh.
duck.
Oh.
Okay. You want to leave one the next day? Like the Friday after Thanksgiving? You want to stay over that night? Oil and like grease in the pan now, so you have to like pour it out. But then you use it to cook potatoes.
Ooh. You should like zoom in, zoom out. Oh.
Yeah, I mean we gotta make waffles now. I have my waffle iron plugged in. We have some waffle mix, you know, for the lazy and the cheap. Maybe not cheap, but lazy. Yeah. So I'm also letting the duck cool down so that when I cut it, it doesn't just like get everywhere.
I'm a cinematographer.
No, I need to put this guy in, but I guess we need to mash him first.
Wait, into the waffle?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I love this.
So when we make the waffles, they don't turn out super purple, but it just tastes good because they're like basically sweet potato waffles.
You got your hand tattoo right in there. Perfect shot.
Shout out Nico.
Shout out Nico. Shout out tattoos.
I just want to like mix it a little bit so that it's not super like hard to.
This waffle portion. Son. Oh. He won't stop now.
Man, well, what's he doing? Oh yeah, he doesn't like that.
Oh, there's a shadow. Never mind. Oh, fuck, dude. What are you doing?
Oh, that would be fucked up.
What the fuck is going on?
Yeah?
I feel like you're sniff.
Rating?
Oh, it's good.
What? Am I eating this?
Oh, that
Oh,
looks
I don't
so
know.
good.
Should I?
It's gonna be really good, dude. Just eat it.
It's good. I do all the time.
My baby dog. Thank you. Of course. It's not for cowboys. I guess it's some cowboys.
Cowboys like us.
Bruh.
You're a baby cow.
That looks delicious.
Yeah, baby cub, don't drink.
I didn't get it, but I kind of got it. Yum? Yum? 1 to 10 yum.
Yum.
10 yum?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fuck, Papa.
Oh, so good.
What if I just made sound effects to everything you did?
You can do that.
I feel like he's holding my hand. Like,
Oh, it's blurry.
Did the waffle stop stirring up?
it's very cute, but it is the wrong size.
Yo,
Yeah,
like,
honestly,
actually,
You got any other toys now?
I'm just...
Yeah, if he has a better.
Tell me that a beautiful photo.
He's
right
so
there.
beautiful. Ooh, that looks sexy.
There's a phone there.
That looks sexy.
I guess I'll get it.
No, I can.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now our taste testers have come to complete their mission, which is, to rate our dish.
It's moving so much.
Ready? Ready?
Yeah, eat it.
Nom nom. I used to be vegan, so
It's so good.
So.
Oh my god.
I don't think I've ever had duck, and that was fire.
There you go. Hell yeah. I love duck, and this is top 10.
All right, waffle time. Waffle Nation.
This is what Asreen was really excited about. So we topped it all off with this bee's knees spicy honey. That's just good.
Mm-hmm.
It really adds another dimension.
It does.
Alright. Thank you for
I just got my mouth in.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you had a good time. Anyone got anything else to add?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Okay. You can cut it. Bye.
Cut it.
Bye.
Thanks for watching this video. Now it's time for us to go, but we'll see you sometime soon. Think of us when you pick up a spoon. Have a good night. Have a good day. Thanks for again. Goodbye now. Bye.